Hey guys, uh, Gidra again, buzzing bee. So we're gonna remove the removable wallpaper of the wall. Let's see how it goes. I have some of it down, and I think I can start it just about anywhere. So let's do this experiment with me together. Look at that. Ta-da! Wall clean, wallpaper clean, no rips, and I saved the backing, right? So I'm just gonna nicely align on top of it, and a little strippy here, look at that. And we can take it to a different wall. That's it, nothing. It doesn't even look like it's been on a wall, right? So let's do a few together. Same concept, nothing. You know, they've been on for a while, so you would think that they would get even more glued on, but no. No. So I love this. Everything goes back on just like it started. You know what's good about it? Oh, you can start about anywhere you want. There is no like you have to do them in an order or anything, and you know it just takes as much time to take them down as it takes to put them back on. So really easy. It's easy. I'll put this one here just because I don't have enough paper. Okay. Yeah. The wall, no damage. Nothing. So I wanted to show that to you because I already done it a couple times. This is not my first time removing the same ones. So just wanted to do it together with you so you would see how nice and clean everything looks. And we're saving them. We'll save them. That's it. You see, nothing rips. They're still completely intact. The wall is intact, the paint. And again, I mentioned it to you earlier. I don't know, my whole house is painted in the eggshell. So if you have just a drywall or flat finish, I don't know, you guys. You might find it that, you know, the wallpaper sticks to it and you cannot take it off. I unfortunately cannot help you out with that. So I say matte finish, eggshell, semi-gloss, anything you have, the wallpaper comes off easily. Nothing. They look brand new, right? And you know what I love about these projects, that you don't need a permit, you don't need a crew, you don't need anything. Actually, I'm drinking my tea and just playing with the walls. There is nothing else. Scissors, right? And I had scissors before, but this is about it. So I'll remove this one as well, and then we'll put it back on. This does not require any time. You just decided to do this, do it. It's fun. I mean, the result is really, it's so quick. You don't need to wait for anything. You don't need a month and months of remodeling and construction in a house. Look at this. Everything is just so easy. Oh my goodness. This instant gratification, what we like these days, right? We want everything fast. So that's it. Ta-da! Everything goes on and comes off. What goes on must come down. Again, you don't need to do it if you don't want to. If you have to, and let's say, you know, you were renting and your landlord says, okay, well, take care of this wall, or you're moving out, you're putting the house for sale, anything that you need to remove it, look at this. They all come out, no problem. No problem. And if you want to save these, again, I saved every single sheet, and it doesn't require a big space for storage. These are not boxes that you need to save what we normally do, right? No, it doesn't need anything. Comes off easily, and it's stored easily. Requires a tiny space in your storage if you want to take it with you. You see, yeah, I'm moving. I'm taking my bricks with me. Big chunk of bricks. Okay, all right. So, okay, guys, this is it. I'm gonna leave this like this for now. And yeah, nice. I mean, wow. For people that have no patience, this one here, this is perfect. Perfect project. Perfect project. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Everything looks great. If I got tired of the swell, sorry, my sheets are flying. Oh my God, I'm sick of the bricks. Let's take them down. Don't need to repaint it. Don't need to get another spoon here again, you know, to do anything to the wall. The wall, it is the way it was before the project. The artwork, you know, comes back on. Okay, like nothing happened. So I tried, right? And I didn't like it. You know, you don't have to live with someone that you don't like, right? No one should force you, or even yourself. Don't do anything half-ass. Just do what you love, you like doing, and you enjoy. You come home, you wanna relax, like, oh, my home, I love it in here. Wanna spend time in here, wanna sit, wanna have my tea. You see, the brick is down, and I miss it. I miss it already. So it's gonna come back on. Cheers. All right, great, guys. I'll see you later.